Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Uma Talks. And here I am with Standard 12 Biology. Okay. And according to the CBSE pattern of questions for term 1, okay, I have come with the questions according to that. And today, the first chapter which I have come with is molecular basis of inheritance and case-based questions. So as you can see, the paragraph will be given like this. Okay, and the 5 questions are from that. So the first one is, in prokaryotes, DNA is circular and present in the cytoplasm, but in eukaryotes, DNA is linear and mainly confined to the nucleus. As you know, plasmid condition. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a long polymer of nucleotides. 1953, the first correct double helical structure of DNA was worked out by Watson and Crick. Based on the X-ray diffraction data, double helical structure of DNA was worked by Watson and Crick. That is the first line, produced by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. It is composed of 3 components: phosphate group, deoxyribose sugar, nitrogen base. Different forms of DNA are bDNA, zDNA, aDNA, cDNA, ddNA. Now, children, see the questions. Okay, name the linkage present between the nitrogen base and pentose sugar in DNA. 4 options are given: phosphodiester, glycosidic, hydrogen bond, none of these. I'm reading this first question for you. Others, I'll just share the screen. Now, the second question related to the paragraph, the double helix structure of DNA was proposed by 4 options: Watson and Crick, Frederick Griffith, Irwin Chargaff, and Hershey Chase. Third, the double chain of bDNA is coiled in a helical fashion, and the spiral twisting of bDNA duplex produces right and left part, upper and lower sides, major and minor groups, linear and circular part. And the fourth question, very important, okay, assertion reason questions it is. So the 2 strands assertion is the 2 strands of DNA helix have uniform distance between them, and the reason is a large sized purine always paired opposite to a small sized pyrimidine. Okay, and you see A, B, C, D. Okay, you have to choose one from here, and that will be your answer. Now we come to 5th, and which of the following describes the structure of bDNA? That is parallel, anti-parallel, then again parallel and anti-parallel. Number of base pairs per complete turn of helix. How many base pairs are there? So you can see 5, 10, 15, 20. Whatever is the correct answer, that you have to write. Next, we come to the next question, as you can see. And because this is from molecular basis of inheritance, you will have questions related to DNA. So this is a question, as you can see. I won't read all the questions. It will definitely consume lots of time. So you can always see it and practice it for yourself. And at the end of all the questions, I'll be sharing the answers for you. You can see again, 5 questions will be there and 4 options are there for each question. You will have to point out the correct option. Okay. Select the main enzyme involved in DNA replication. Which one? DNA dependent DNA polymerase आंसर होगा इसका. ठीक है, तो उसी तरह से आपको देखते हुए जाना है कि कौन सा एक्चुअली इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. आप डीएनए लाइगेज नहीं कर दोगे. डीएनए लाइगेज इज फॉर जॉइनिंग. ओके, so that is the correct answer. As you go down, third, read the given statement, select the option that correctly fill in the blanks. So this. Yeah, children, you all must be very confused. Abhi tak to confused tha ki kaisa questions aayega. And now I have come with the questions. So if not subscribed, do subscribe and share it with your friends, all those who are there in 12th standard, in any school, from CBSE. Okay, coming more questions from different chapters. So now here we come to this third question. It shows 4th. Okay. So this is there, the process of copying genetic material from template strand of DNA into RNA, transcription, RNA polymerase. Okay. And again, the 4 questions. 4, 5. Yeah, as you can see, halt and go through it. That is why we are just stopping it over there, so that when you go through the screen को वहाँ पे रोक के questions देखिए, लिखिए, do write it in your notebooks. Okay, so it will be easier for you to prepare for the exams. This is term 1 portion. Yeah, the next question. Translation, okay, is the process of polymerization. Translation is that protein synthesis वाले से related है. So this is what is there. The 5 questions and the options are there. The next question, the process of translation requires transfer of genetic information. Yeah. What is a codon? Okay, again 4 options. You have to be very perfect, children. Concepts बिल्कुल clear होना है. It's not like subjective questions. Objective है और MCQs है तो एकदम crisp. और अगर if you choose the correct one, you get 1 marks. But थोड़ी गलती हुई तो marks भी वैसे ही जाएगा. And I am preparing you 100% for scoring 100% through these questions. So this is the 3rd question. The options then come to 4th. Identify the nonsense codons among the following 4 options. Okay, and then comes the the next question. Mutation explains the relationship between gene and DNA, the effects of large deletions and rearrangement. Okay, nothing is out of course. We have done everything. Yeah. So mRNAs, AAG, the codons, the codes, which codes for different amino acids. Okay. और जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है कि कुछ कोड्स तो आपको याद रखना ही है, which codes for different amino acids. ठीक है. So that is there. Next again, एक assertion reason question हर एक question में है, whatever I am seeing now. ठीक है. ये tRNA structure, the RNA structure, clover shaped, if you remember. Yeah. Gene regulation is the mechanism of switching off and switching on of the genes depending upon the requirement of cells. Okay. So this is one paragraph. Depending upon it, again, yeah, correct. Regulation of gene expression occurs at the level of transcription, processing, translation, all of these. Go on reading the chapter as many times as possible, children. Only then you'll be able to solve. Yeah. DNA fingerprinting mein aa gaye, the last portion. Yes. Let's go slow. I hope it's clear. You are able to see it. Halt the video and then go through the questions. Yeah. Which of the following is true about DNA fingerprinting? VNTR is used as a probe. DNA samples are loaded on agarose gel electrophoresis based on identification nucleotide sequence present on the DNA molecule. Yeah, all of these. And the last one, not last, I feel. Let's see. RNA ribonucleic acid is a single chain polyribonucleotide. This paragraph, and then goes again the 5 questions with 4 options. And finally we come to assertion and reason questions from the same chapter. Okay, 10 questions are there from the normal MCQs, and now we have only assertion reason questions. Assertion reason में जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो, okay, ABCD, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation. Both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Both assertion, reason are false. और अब आपके questions हैं. So yeah, keep it for some time. So this is the screen, children. This screen आपके पास थोड़ी देर रुक रहा है. You can go through the questions, and for each of the question ABCD ऊपर जो दिया हुआ है उससे आपको डिसाइड करना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन में वो सही हो रहा है. Okay, assertion and reason is given. So the 12th question, R type of pneumococcus is non-virulent, and reason is R type of pneumococcus can be virulent by having transformation with S type of pneumococcus. Yeah. R type is rough type, S type is smooth type. Okay, and you very well know that smooth was virulent. So this is the question. Yeah. Yeah, the answers are there at the back. Do watch it till the last. Video last तक watch करोगे तो आप पूरा सॉल्व करोगे तो यू विल गेट, आपको आंसर्स लास्ट में मिलेंगे और पूरे एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ। तो वीडियो जरूर वॉच करें अंत तक। और मुझे पता है बहुत लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं की है, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें। एंड दिस इज फॉर यू चिल्ड्रन, ये आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है, इट विल हेल्प यू टू स्कोर मार्क्स। अब आ गए एक्सप्लेनेशंस फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। या I'll halt the video over here so that you can see it properly. First, second. Third, fourth.
Then this is the
First, second, then comes the third.
Then comes the third.
Third
This
question. After that, fourth goes on the other side, children. As you can see, lagging strand is a replication. ये आ गया आपका
Fifth.
और फिर fifth है. I hope it's very clear.
ये पूरे
Then comes sixth down.
six.
Six तक है, एक पेज में six तक है. Focus one page and leave it over there.
Okay.
Okay, that is done. Next page.
Like this. This is the first one.
Yes, now we move to the second page for the next answers. Yes, as you can see, the explanations are also there. Why certain option which is said to be correct, why it is correct. So this video is really going to be very helpful for you children. और बार बार बोलने का मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है, आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे और बदले में आपको बहुत कुछ मिल भी रहा है, आप शेयर भी कर रहे हो, और आने वाले टाइम में आई एम गोइंग टू पुट मोर क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल. ओके, we have 8th regulation of gene expression. Then
This one
comes
is the
9th,
10th.
10th,
This one is the
11th. So 11th तक हो गया. उसके बाद हम आ गए इधर
12th. 12th.
See how beautifully the explanation is given.
13th.
कि आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा और किसी भी चैनल पे नहीं मिलने वाला है. फॉर दैट आई एम वेरी श्योर. तो आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर यू. डू अप्रिशिएट, और अप्रिशिएट करेंगे कैसे वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता है. या ब्यूटीफुल इट इज, ब्यूटीफुल वर्क एंड very hard work also. Again 22nd, 23rd, this is 24th, yes, 25th, 26th, it's 27th, last questions. So here we come to the end, children. The answers I have not written, I have not read for you. I hope I have finished the complete video for molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, and do utilize to the fullest and score the maximum of marks, or that is what is my wish for you. And as I've been telling you, do wait patiently for more videos to come. And for that, what you have to do, subscribe to the button and do put your comments. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.